birthday, Althea! Getting a Starbucks for a little treat for you. Got a matcha.
I got an iced chai latte, the apple crisp.
Somebody's behind us. I got the matcha. I'll put my order on the screen because this is the new thing that I get instead of a chai, and it is so good. It's got pumpkin in it and vanilla. It's delicious.
Got the iced apple crisp chai latte, non-dairy with oat milk.
Bacon egg bites, which are my favorite.
Got a ham and cheese croissant.
And we got the little rascals back there. We're going to Walmart to go get our pickup order for her birthday supper and a few other little like gift wrappings, things like that. So we're going to take it along with us for the day to celebrate Althea's birthday, and then we're going to be sharing her fall home tour at the end of this video. Today in our little pumpkin shirts. I got mine from Target, and then a friend made him one so we could match. He's having this pumpkin spice smoothie and protein, and he's using his new little cup that we got him at Target. That looks like a little Stanley. He was eating this like he really liked it. It's kind of thick though. I have both babies here, so y'all are gonna hear chaos in the background, but we're about to wrap Miss Althea's birthday presents, and I was gonna share with y'all what we got her. These little plates and napkins from TJ Maxx for her little party tonight. Doing a fall theme, always do fall theme on her birthday. These are so pretty. My mom wanted to get her something. You'll see in her fall home tour that she has one of these that her sister-in-law gave her. We got her another one that's a little bit different. These on each side of her TV, but this one is so pretty, and it was at Kirkland's. This is from me and Addison, so we got her this really soft little blanket, the little checkered print. We got it at TJ Maxx. Also needed a new floor lamp, and she also needed like a little table too to sit beside this new chair that she got, and we found this at Target. It's the best of both worlds. It's a floor lamp with accent table, and y'all will see this later at the end of the video where we put it in her home for her little fall home tour, but it's a lamp and it has a little table, a little marble top table attached. We got her this little picture frame, little gold framed picture frame, and it's an 8x10. We got this at Target to put this picture in because she said she wanted had told me when we were doing the remodel that she wanted to get this picture printed out of us at the beach, and she wanted to put it in a frame and put it somewhere in her living room. So we're gonna give this to her as a surprise. She doesn't know that we're giving her this, so that'll go in here. It's gonna be so pretty. And from Kaysen, she already had this little picture frame, but whenever she got it, she said, I wanna get this because I wanna get this beach picture printed out of Kaysen to put in this frame to put on her coffee table. So we went ahead and printed this picture out, and we went to her house and stole the picture frame, and we're gonna put this little picture in it and just wrap it up and say it's from Kaysen. This is the picture we're putting in there, but this one somehow got put in there with it. I had already picked this picture up and put it on my coffee table, so I don't know why they gave me another one, but I thought I would just put it in behind it and let Miss Althea know this one's in there. I mean, that was from last year, but if she wanted to have that one out for her fall decor, or she'll just have it, so I'm gonna put that in there really quick. good friends and co-workers actually FaceTimed Addie and I so we could watch her open up her present from her. It was going to be a really big surprise for Althea. Vicky always has the best gift ideas, and so we were so excited to see Althea's face when she opened this up.
That's for real. It's not a trick. What? He really wrote that. Yes, he did. What? Bible. He did. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. This is not a trick. Straight from John Mark's store. Althea, it's the truth. Okay, there's something else in there. So he said y'all was a fan. Did you tell him? Yes, I didn't tell him. I didn't talk to him personally. Look at the bag. Oh my gosh, you're serious? What is that?
Oh my gosh.
Hey, and I got it big enough for you to sleep in, so you can think about John Mark. You're sleep. Wonderful. Thank you so much. You're so. Hey, hand on the Bible though, he really did write that card. John Mark, see if you can smell him on it. I bet you can smell him. This is awesome, y'all. Wait till my family hears about it, because they all know I like it too. Here, tell them. Hello, girls.
Hey.
See, y'all know. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all too.
I love you.
Bye, girl.
Bye, Vic. Thank you, Vic. What are you making? Lasagna soup. That was Althea's request. So Addison's making the lasagna soup, and Miss Althea also loves this tortellini soup that I have been making for years, and it's so simple and easy. Again, I'm going to link all the recipes down below in the description box so you can see some delicious soup recipes. We're also making a cake for her. She loves pecans, so we're going to make this little pecan upside down cake for her, and this turned out delicious and again super easy. Getting this little basket ready because we had planned on painting pumpkins this night, but her birthday was on a Monday night, and by the time that we had ate and opened presents and just hung out, it was just a little too late. The girls had school the next morning and we were just all exhausted, so we thought that we would try painting these again on another night, maybe during a weekend or something. But I kept this little basket together so whenever we were ready we would have everything gathered and ready to paint some pumpkins. We usually always have like a little painting or carving pumpkin contest. Now we are just going to be setting all the little dishes out, like our serveware, and just kind of doing some little last minute decorating touches. I borrowed this big pumpkin dispenser from my cousin Kayla, but Miss Althea loves sweet tea. She's a sweet tea-aholic, so we had to have her a big thing of sweet tea. Now we're putting the noodles in last minute, so I think that you do this like around an hour or less of time before you're about to eat, so we're kind of finishing up our soup recipes. hydrangeas that I got out of our cottage garden. This was actually a gift to me from my cousin Kayla and her husband Austin. I helped them with their little landscaping when they first built their home, and so they gifted me this beautiful plant that's out in my garden, and the leaves have dried out, so we're using these on our back patio for a little bit of decor. Absolutely beautiful in the summertime too, and I just thought this was the sweetest, most thoughtful little gift, so thank you to them. It's a little plant that I will always remember whenever I go out there and cut them and bring into our home. So here's how everything turned out and how we have everything set up ready for her to come in and be surprised with. And this cake was actually so good. We had it with vanilla ice cream and it was delicious.
This is my picture frame, isn't it? I kept saying I was going to get a picture of Kason. Oh, wait a minute. This is the one I wanted. I had just said that I was going to get these frames. Get the picture frames. I bet they're the biggest. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Yes, that is nice. You are so updated. All these years later, you are so updated. How look at this thing over the laying down. That's cute. I need a picture of that. Oh my God. Thank you.
Did you have a good one?
I did. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is the one
All of our wrapping goes to waste.
Perfect. There's 7 out there. How did that happen?
56.
Okay. See if you can blow it in one blow. Okay, I do. I'm a great taste tester. I love pecans. You love Is it any good? 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for the birthday girl.
100 out of 100. Do it 100 out of 100.
Now for another big surprise. So here is Miss Althea's before of her living room, and she was ready to give her living room a little bit of a makeover, and she's wanting to do other spaces in her home too, but we started with the living room, and she wants to paint her walls, and there's just lots of little things that she's wanting to do. She's like made a list that she says every time I go over there she's got something new that she wants to do, so we will have to keep y'all up with everything that she's doing over at their home. And this was so exciting to be able to go out with her and shop with her for these items, and her home just looks so beautiful and so cozy, and I'm so excited to share it with y'all. So here's all the little before clips, and here is the after. So she has been wanting a sectional for such a long time. She wanted like a creamy sectional, and she loves a good swivel rocking, like reclining chair, and so she picked out so many beautiful things, and she has lots of beautiful fall decor too. She loves decor, and every time that we're out and about she sees something that she just loves, and I cannot wait for y'all to see how it all came together.
Question for y'all. This hutch TV cabinet, whatever you want to call it, we bought it just like this a couple weeks ago.
We thought we would bring it home and paint it. My question for you is, should I leave it just like this or should I paint it white? And then I want to do the knobs. If I do paint it white, the gold, the rubbing buff. This cord to the right, as you can see, is such an eyesore for me. We built our house with the cable and all above the fireplace. I did not like it any longer after several years because you had to break your neck to look at the TV. So then we put it over on the right side wall. Gonna need to figure out a way to do that. Love that wreath. It kind of went with the decor that we had going on. And I tied just a bow on it that matches my other ones that are around the candelabras. And I love it, the little wreath. It turned out so pretty. This right here, I made this at the She Shack. Of course, it was just the all white. And then I wanted something that kind of looked like a Mackenzie Child pumpkin. A little jealous of Holly's, how pretty they all are.
Oh, yours is gorgeous.
Well, I thought, well, maybe I can do something similar, but I thought it turned out pretty cool.
It's really pretty. She did a really good job. It's supposed to look like the mocha striped pumpkin. She did it really good. It looks amazing.
I love it. It's so pretty. And here's that beautiful pumpkin from my friend that I work with from John Sharp Enterprise, Germantown, Tennessee. So go check him out. I am so in love with him. His store is absolutely beautiful from what I can see on Instagram and Facebook. So check him out.
I'll be sure to link them down below because Althea is obsessed with them.
I'm going, y'all. I'm going. Everybody says that Memphis is not a safe place, but I've heard that it is otherwise. So I'm going.
It is such a beautiful pumpkin. It looks so good with your decor too.
These two pictures, let me tell you a little bit about them. This year, my sweet, sweet daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law Holly's mom, Cindy, bought me this picture frame, or this picture actually, not frame. And over here, my sister-in-law bought me this one last year for my birthday. So what a coincidence. And this works out perfect. This recliner I got just the other day. I love it. It's a swivel, recliner, everything, and a rocker. This pumpkin I got last year from my bestie from work, Vicky.
The same one that gave you the pumpkin?
Yes, the same one that gave me the pumpkin this year. And then the blanket that's behind it, my nephew Will, his family gave it to me last year for my birthday.
Althea gets lots of fall decor for her birthday because she's an October baby.
And some of the prettiest pumpkins I've ever actually been able to buy. This one, I think I got 3 or 4 of them last year, and I bought them at Southern Decor down in Clanton. They are beautiful, y'all. Just gorgeous.
This one came from there also.
It's a softer one.
Which we thought was perfect on this table.
So Kason won't throw anything and knock his toe off.
And we love her coffee table too. She got this the same place she got the couch, which was Encore in Pelham, and she just had to have it. It is so pretty. I love this coffee table.
I do too. And one of my best friends bought me this blanket for my birthday this year, actually. Her and my cousin, who is like a best friend, like a sister to me, Robin, she and her bought that.
Well friends, that is going to be all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. And leave a comment down below telling Miss Althea happy birthday, and let us know how you love her home. Let us know what space that she redid that's your favorite, like what little vignette. Let us know if y'all want to go back and see Miss Althea's house for Christmas, and if she does any other little upgrades before the year is over. And again, y'all just love on her in the comments. Y'all know that I love my mother-in-law. And so I was so excited to have a full video dedicated to her and her birthday and her little makeover. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. God bless y'all. We love y'all so much, and we'll see you guys on the very next one. See you soon.